Century 21 Olympian agents are experienced to get you the best price available. Call 832-553-8300 to start now. Why buy new when you can purchase this great home? Many upgrades throughout, which include engineered wood floors, granite island and countertops throughout, Bosch convection and microwave oven, brand new dishwasher, stainless steel oven extractor fan, Bosch downdraft, Viking 6-burner gas top, LED recess lighting. The laundry room has granite countertops and new cabinet. Granite countertops in all bathrooms, tile floors throughout. New fans with lights in all bedrooms. The 2 staircases have been upgraded with metal iron railings, Shonbek chandeliers at a stay. The roof is only 3 years old. The driveway can park up to 6 cars, not including the 3-car garage.